Hey, what's up, folks? It's Mike here from Nether Gold, and I'm going to try this mud mask from Queen Helene out for you all, just so you all can see. There's about $5 from the store, and we'll see whether or not it's worth your money, if it's worth, worth your time and effort. So, if you're interested in that, watch this video. If you're not, leave a comment below what you want to see next, and I'll make it happen. All right? Catch you later. No, not later. After the intro. Duh. All right, so we're back. Queen Helene's face mask. We did a video before about Queen Helene's, what was it? The volcanic ash scrub. We did that one, and I found this one at the same time I found that. So the ingredients in this one, let's take a look, are water, kaolin, biotin, glycerin. That you all can read. It's not hard. You guys got this, right? I'm gonna do the same Googling you all are gonna do. But what I do like about this is it lacks a lot of the extra ingredients that were inside the other scrub, so this is gonna be good. I'm excited to try this one out, and let's just see how it goes. So let's put this stuff on my face. All right, so getting ready to try out the Queen Helene's mud pack mask. Yeah, so we're gonna try that one out. So let's take a shot, let's see how it goes. Comes out pretty muddy. Yeah, definitely has a artificial fragrance in here. Yeah, nice perfume. I can't really tell you. I'm gonna see if I can figure out what that smell is and tell you all in a little bit. But let's see how this thing goes. So just like the other one we tried, the volcanic mask, this one also has bentonite clay in it. But this one is not a scrub. It's a straight mask. And it's for toxin relief and revitalizes and detoxifies, and it's anti-aging, according to the, whoa buddy. Mom. You want your mom? Well, you got me right now. I am your mother.
Mom.
Dad.
Mom.
Dad. Alright, I think I've applied enough mud to my face. Alright, I think that's enough mud. Just put this on my neck, just like it on my hand. Alright, so it says I'm supposed to wait 5 to 10 minutes and rinse with warm water. This is obviously going to be on for a lot longer than 5 or 10 minutes because I got some dinner to make, so yeah. Alright, so right now it's drying pretty decently. Chris said it dries faster than the ones we make here, so I told her to watch her mouth, but I said it with more aggressive tones. What? Yes, Chris?
You said it like I meant it as an insult. It's not an insult.
Oh, what was it not?
No, it's not an insult.
Boss, was that an insult? He thinks it was. So just grab some honey and agave for the dinner. One thing I can say is when you're using the bentonite clay mask, it is very cooling as you're walking around because it starts to really pour out or suck out those toxins as you're using it. And it starts to dry and stuff from your face, so it's super amazing. So
yours dries faster.
So I've had this one on for about an hour and a half, and then Chris decided she wanted to put on one of our face masks. It's coffee cocoa. Put in a coffee cocoa face mask to be like me. Which is cute.
It's my routine.
That's Chris. So it's probably been like 2 hours at this point, but I just haven't felt like taking a shower yet. So it's still rocking with it. Just let it do its thing, I get all the nutrients and stuff out of my face. I have a strong feeling my face is gonna be very dry and brittle after this, but we'll see. We shall see. Okay, so now it's actually shower time. And we're gonna get this thing off. So, let's make it happen. But right now my face is feeling pretty dry, as you know, one would expect. Wow. Okay. All right, this is what we're working with here. So, pretty dry. It's crackly. What I expect of a bentonite clay mask. So, all right, let's wash this stuff off. All right, so still got a little bit of it here. Honestly, doesn't feel bad at all. Yeah, face is still moist. Still got a little bit of the mask on. I did a terrible job washing my face, but all in all, it feels pretty good. I can't really say anything because I love bentonite clay masks. So, yeah, I'll update you soon. Okay, so to be 100% honest with you all, I didn't dislike it. I wasn't a fan of the fragrance. I feel like the fragrance was unnecessary. You know, they're always trying to add little extra smells to make things smell better. I don't think it was necessary. It's kind of, off-putting to me because it's artificial. Not really feeling it, but I can understand why they want to do something like this because regular bentonite clay masks do not have the most amazing smells. They don't smell bad, but they don't smell good, if you understand what I'm saying. But I can honestly say this is a very nice little $5 alternative for a face mask. It did a great job of drying. It did an amazing job of really pulling out the dirt and grime from my face. It did not leave me feeling dry afterwards, because face mask, when it pulls out all the moisture, leaves you feeling dry. I didn't feel that dry. It felt dry a little bit, but I didn't feel that dry. And probably because of the use of water. Usually when I mix up a face mask, I use apple cider vinegar to really pull out all the dirt and grime. But this, not bad. For $5, I recommend you give it a shot if you're interested in a cheap alternative face. Hey boss, I'm recording a video. Thanks, buddy. So if you're looking for a cheap alternative face mask, I think this would be a really good choice here. Yeah, really nothing bad to say about it, which I usually don't have anything bad to say about any of these products. It's all down to user choice. It's just not my cup of tea. But for a pre-mixed, already, done pack, not bad at all. Give it a shot. Let me know what you think. Drop a comment below. Let me know if it was something you would try again. Yeah, just nothing against it. So, if you're interested in more content like this, let me know in the comments below. Let me know what you like to use from the beauty supply store, and I'll go over there and buy some. Or send me a link. Send me a link to some of your favorite products, and I'll pick some up and test it out. Like toothpaste and stuff. I'm gonna try some of that stuff, just to really give you all a better, just a better experience when it comes to consumption, your consumption of these products. So, I think that's the last time I'm gonna say so. Oh, also, yeah, don't forget, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, give me a thumbs up. It really helps grow the channel, helps boss stay off my back when he's trying to get me to do stuff, because the kid's feisty. Can you all hear that? He's kind of feisty. He's a knuckle up kind of guy, and I really could use your support in making sure he stays happy. So, with that being said, thank you all so much for watching. I will catch you all later in the next video. I have a good one planned for next. I think you all will like this one. So, see ya.